What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can restore your WarGaming account, aka how to restore your World of Tanks account. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So if you have been inactive on your WarGaming account for more than 10 years, as you can see here, I have, your account might be in danger of deletion. So this is how you can recover your account and prevent it from being deleted. So if you received this email, just go ahead and click Go to Account Management. But if you didn't, just type in WarGaming in the search bar and you should be on this page nevertheless. So here, just log in into your WarGaming account. If you forgot your password, you can just click Recover Account. So as soon as you log in, you will see this tab right here that says Account Restoration. So as you can see, your account is being deleted and will be deleted forever on December 2nd, 2024. Until that time, you can restore it. So to restore it, just checkmark this little box here and click on Restore Account. Once you did that, you will see the text that says the deletion of your account has been cancelled and the data is being restored. So that's how you can restore your World of Tanks account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.